everyone, it's Tuesday 30 June and the time right now is 2 p.m. and the temperature is positive 34 degrees Celsius. Still the heat warning is continue, and today I am at the Crossiron Mall. Is one of the famous mall in Calgary. The reason I am here because of the heat warning. Most of the family and the people come to the mall because of the, every mall has a very good air conditioning system, and that's why they take a shelter to save from them the hotter weather. Even though it's me also, because last 24 hours is continuously my AC is running, my fan is running, but it's still not working properly because of the heat. That much heat we don't used to with that much heat. In Calgary, most of the condos and apartments and house, they don't have the central AC because actually the Calgary weather is so good and we don't need that much AC in summertime. Only in August we use the air condition only for like maximum 15 to 3 weeks. The mall is super busy. Most of the family came here with their small kids. And inside the mall you have to wear mask. So in weekdays, in working hour, that much busy we never see. The lineup for the Nike. Right now I'm wearing mask. Maybe my voice is not clear enough because of the mask. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Now in the mall, all the sitting are open right now. Before it was every sitting sofa or chair was closed, but now you can sit in the mall too. The mall is pretty big. This little park is for the kids, but it's still closed. But I don't know why they open everything except the little park. Most of the sitting places are fully booked. It's the Roots Canadian brand. And Skechers Superstore. I love Skechers because their shoes save my life. Without their shoes, I cannot even walk a step. So Artisa. So I'm going towards the food court. at the line for the gongcha, the bubble tea. It's always super busy. I'm almost at the food court. The Boston Pizza and restaurant in Crossiron Mills. The Milestone Bar and Restaurant. There is the Silver City in the Cineplex. So I'm not allowed in the Silver City because I'm using camera. Which store is your favorite store in the food court? My one is the Thai and the Villa Modena. I love it. Now I can smell a lot of delicious food. After my vlogging, I will definitely do my lunch here. And until Friday, I think the heat warning will still continue to stay safe and keep you in hydrate. And of course you have to need a cool shelter for yourself. And another bad news is today's news is more than 200 people in Canada is died for the heat warning, and most of them are in BC. It's too sad because there are so many areas in the BC and the Alberta. We don't use air condition that much because our weather is very, very good, especially in Alberta. Actually, we don't need the air condition. We have the heat mainly in the August, only for 2 days. That's it. So take care, stay safe, and Canada Day, happy Canada Day in advance. I will definitely do a Canada Day walk and do the fireworks. And if you know where is the fireworks is hosting right now, let me know in the comment box, because I'm not sure where is the fireworks. Some news says it's going to be online, virtual, or some news says that it's going to be happen in person. So let me know if you know that where is going to be the fireworks tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Excuse me.